Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Gobi Manchurian, a popular Indo-Chinese delicacy known for its vibrant color and flavors. Most of us are mad over this Indian street food. Tests have shown that cancer-causing additives like rhodamine B and tartrazine were being used in their preparation. As the artificial food color is a staple ingredient in Gobi Manchurian, which has been linked to various health concerns ranging from allergic reactions to behavioral issues, particularly in children, the government has started taking initiatives to ban it in different parts of India. So let's try preparing this delicious delicacy at home. By preparing this dish at home, individuals can exercise control over the ingredients, ensuring the use of fresh, wholesome components devoid of harmful additives. So first let's prepare a semi-thick batter with cornstarch, all-purpose flour, salt and pepper powder. Add some water, mix it. Into that add washed and thoroughly cleaned cauliflower. Mix it really well. Once the batter is nicely coated onto the cauliflower, take them and fry it in medium heat oil. Once it turns golden shade and crispy, take it out. We can double fry it to make it more crispy. Now let's see how to combine it with the sauces. So into a pan add some oil, saute some crushed garlic. Once it turns slightly golden color, add some spring onion chopped. Saute it. Into that, let's add the sauces like soya sauce, chili sauce and tomato sauce. Mix it nicely, add some water and boil it. Into that, add the cornflour slurry. Mix it, and once the batter becomes thick, add the fried cauliflower into it. Nicely toss it. Our Gobi Manchurian is ready. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. Delicious homemade Gobi Manchurian is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot as an appetizer or as a side dish with some fried rice or noodles. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as we do. Until next time, happy cooking!